friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer Predator X32FP and CG48. So friend, Acer has announced the release of two new gaming monitors, the Predator X32FP and the Predator CG48. So friend, X32FP is a 32-inch LCD monitor with IPS panel, quantum dots and mini LED backlight, and friend is available now with a retail price of €1,599, and friend, the second model CG48 48-inch OLED monitor with a 3840 x 2160 pixel resolution, 138Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support is set to release in the second quarter of 2023 and will also have a suggested retail price of €1,599. And friend, both monitors feature HDMI 2.1 ports and USB Type-C port for KVM switch and come with a range of other interfaces and including DisplayPort 1.4, USB 3.2 and audio output. And the Predator CG48 boasts a response time of 0.1 millisecond, HDR support and can be overclocked to 160Hz. And friend, on the other hand, the Predator X32FP has a 576 mini LED backlight and certified for DisplayHDR 1000. And it also has integrated 7-watt speaker and 3840 x 2160 pixel resolution. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.